Good day, my people. Good day, Nigeria. Good day, everybody. I still use this chance to talk to my people for Nigeria again. This election, it all dey near now. Everything, as in everything, all they get as CB. I wan use this media to talk to our youth. Our youth, I beg, make una wake up. Make una wake up. Make una fight for una generation. Una fight for una time, and that of the children. E go still make sense if dem come still say na una time, na that country for good, say na una still fight, say make that country for good. Una children go still dey talk the story, say na our papa time. E for make all these old cabals, na themselves, na their generation, na dey take fight for Nigeria independence. Na themselves dey still dey defend dey go. Since dem dey start corruption, dem dey start this, dem never probe any of themselves, dem never jail any of themselves, dem never kill any of themselves. Na themselves dey still dey protect dey go up till now. Our generation now dey defend all those old cargoes, all those cabal. We dey tell una, we for diaspora, we know that country pass una. We dey see wetin dey happen for that country pass una. We dey tell una now, a word is enough for the while. Dem dey say na person dey outside field dey wash mouth, and dey know wetin dey happen for inside the field pass people dey inside the field dey play ball. We dey watch am. We for diaspora, we dey see that country pass una. We know that country, we know wetin dey happen for that country pass una. Na only Omoyele Sowore na be the candidate. Make e dey give dem hit, make dem dey fear, make as in once dem hear the name, as in there was shocking. E dey give dem sleepless night, e dey give dem heat. Na only Omoyele get the passion, get the zeal, get the intellect to take move that country forward. Dem dey talk of coalition. Na any coalition, make all those youth candidates e dey come form, dey come bring. Na Omoyele Sowore na be the man. Na him be the only person make we for diaspora see say na him go fit defend us for that country, defend our generation, bless our generation. All those other candidates, okay, they'll give you like 5k, 2k, 10k, and anything. You first of all think person can't use 5k to bribe you in on no wetin e wan gain, or e just like you say okay you take. You go get that money times 1 million. Times 1 million. Person use entelo take set trap. You know the kind animal e take set am for. Make una get sense, make una wise. Una time now. If una miss this chance, Nigeria, if una miss this chance, youth, una go hear win. Better win, make e not get command, e not get where for start, e no go get where for end. Una hear win, especially those ones make they don't physically graduate now. They find job, you also see. Then you go dey find like book to do, you all see, to take survive. Conduct yourself, you all see. Boys go turn thief. All those e go increase. Guess una don already dey fear now. If all these people enter power again, boys or get anything, and una go all these people, make una wise up, make una calculate, use your head. All those, they not get our time, they not get us for their agenda. Now themselves they package, they go, they since now themselves they defend. Whether APC or PDP, there be two sides of the same coin. There be the same people by people. There be the same. Make una wise up. Make una wise up. This one na una time for at least. This one na una generation. Una na be the future. Now they say the children are the future leaders. Up till now, no children for the leaders. Now all those old papa, make they don't reach to retire, make they don't reach to your days. If the day patriotic enough, they suppose don't resign. They say make them give the youth advice. They not 1 year. Youth, make una wake up. We for diaspora, we tell una We tell una not say we not talk. Oh. We talk. Una know say we talk. All of una know. Make una wake up. Now, more electro worry. Any coalition they can resolve. They can finalize. If in now only more electro worry, now all those cabals not go fit manipulate. The rest they get percentage to take manipulate. Them now only election worry they fear cause he know all their crook, he know all the skeleton made their cupboard. He go open their nyash, all of them go suffer. They go, hey, make una wake up for una time. Youth, wetin dey sup? My people, wetin dey sup sef? Who do us this thing? All those men that they defend themselves, that they promote themselves, that they pave way for themselves. Our youth, they defend them. People make it be say now they cause our problem for that country, and they make us